So let's quickly go through the group five vocabulary words. So the first word is aloof, which means distant, cold, not giving people the time of day, not interested in talking to people. Clangor refers to noise. The adjective would be clangorous. So clangor is just some loud noise. Conventional means common, normal, ordinary, following the crowd. To debunk something means to prove it wrong, so to prove it false. Diminutive means small. The Napoleon Bonaparte was often described as diminutive, although that probably wasn't true. Discernible means you can notice it; it's easily noticed. Enigmatic means mysterious. Think about the word enigma. Estranged means distant. It can also mean two people who don't talk. The relationship is ruined. So think about, a mom and daughter being estranged from each other. Extravagant means very wasteful, using resources in a bad way. Fanciful means kind of having something that is not real or not true, or kind of not being in touch with reality, like fanciful dreams. Frivolous means not important, trivial. Why are we getting so worked up about this? It's just a frivolous thing. Heterogeneous means different, having a lot of diversity. Think about, like a world class city like London, for example. It's a very heterogeneous society. Imperious means to command power in almost a maybe an illegitimate way. So kind of wielding power in a way that you shouldn't be. You're kind of like domineering, holding it over people. Impertinent has two meanings. So one meaning would be kind of rude or impolite, impertinent behavior. It can also mean something is not pertinent or irrelevant. Invasive often refers to plants that kind of invade an area and wreak a lot of havoc. So it means something comes into a new area and causes a lot of damage. Let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit, get the rest of them in the frame. Irresolute means not sticking to your guns. Basically, you are, not, you easily give up. Laudable means praiseworthy, something that we should commend. Great job. Lax means very relaxed, very chill. Marginalize means to push somebody to the side, push somebody to the margins. To marginalize someone means to kind of treat them as unimportant. Panache means a lot of style. So think about somebody walking down the street with a lot of panache. Speaking of walking down the street, plodding. Plodding means very slow. Imagine you're behind someone who's moving at a plodding pace. Prosaic means very ordinary, very boring, nothing that interesting. Maybe it kind of copied something from before. Remedial comes from the word remedy. So something that is remedial is designed to fix or to cure. Think about a remedial math class. That class is designed to, basically fix people's math issues. Restive does not relate to rest. It actually is the opposite. It means very fidgety, very nervous. You can't sit still. Sporadic means it doesn't happen very often. It's quite scarce. There's no pattern to discern. Stigmatize means to mark somebody with a stigma or to mark somebody with shame, to kind of push someone away from society. To undermine means to weaken or subvert something. Utterly means absolutely, completely, utterly disgusting, completely disgusting. Weary means very tired. You just want to sleep. And then finally, zealous comes from the word zealot. It means overly passionate about something, kind of like a fanatic.